Hey Brawlers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are answering a popular question. Can you change your age in Brawl Stars? So let's say you accidentally put the wrong age when you first sign up for Brawl Stars and now you want to change it. Is there a way? Well, unfortunately there isn't a direct option to change your age in the game settings. But don't worry, there's still a way to fix it. You can reach out to Brawl Stars customer support to help. Here's how you can do it. First, tap on the three lines in the top corner of the screen. Next, head to the settings menu. Scroll down and tap on help and support. Once there, tap the message icon in the top right corner. Now in the chat that pop up, select report a bug and then choose others and explain that you entered the wrong age and want to change it. That's it. Just submit your message and Brawl Stars support team should get back to you and hopefully fix the issue. And that's how you can change your age in Brawl Stars. Thanks for watching the video.